Good morning, guys. Good morning. Oh, it's hot. I spilled my coffee. But I got a good cup of coffee. It's a Monday morning. Let's take a look at the market. What is going to happen today? I think this week is going to be very interesting. Last week, we had some nice run-ups on a lot of stock. People made profit. Some people sold. Some people held. Honestly, some things I held and I sold at the end of the closing day. But anyway, the SPY is already up. SPY is up 45%. The Qs are 53%. The TQ is up 1.8%. So let me look. Hold on. Move up. Let me look back. I want to look back real quick. So this is a week chart. It looks like it's trending up. It looks like it's trying to trend up. Okay. So let's go over here. Let's go back to AMC. I got a lot of stocks that I'm watching down here. These are just kind of my watch list down here. AMC, we're at 390. It's trying to push up. It's above its closing price. Let me get a good look at this. So we're above the closing price. We're above what we closed last week. Pre-market, it was up, but it came down. It looks like it's kind of stair-stepping up. I don't know why it's like that, but anyway. They sold off this morning at, I think, around 7, and then it's trying to push back up. Let me go over here. Okay, 380. So that's going to be, this 380 is going to be a point where we need to pay attention to. If we start pulling back down and we get back down to 380, I definitely think we're going to come down. We have to stay above this. If we can't push up and get to at least the $4 mark, if we can't get there and stay above the $4, it's not going to look good. It's not going to look good. It's just my opinion. It's not financial advice, but I do think definitely that we can probably run up to that $4 mark. Really, really close, or not even. If not, we'll pass the. Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Excuse me, guys. Some coffee got stuck in my throat. But I think we can get close to that $4 mark. We may even pass it just a little bit, but me personally, I don't see us going past the $4 mark. I think we're going to probably touch it, but I do think we're going to come down to 380. Oh, it's moving pretty well. What's the volume? Volume is kind of it's up there. It's 161,000. So the volume is trying to come in. So something's going to happen. We may hit the $4 mark and push above it just a little bit. But me personally, I don't think we're going to stay above there. I think we're going to come down some more. And after this little run up this morning, I do think it's going to come down. Okay, I keep saying that. And I think it's going to come down real close to this right here, 380. And if we can't hold at 380, we're going to come down to right. Where is it at? I think we're going to come down below 380, okay? This is going to be a strong point right here that we need to stay above. That's the most important thing. But if we can't, we're going to come down. And that looks like one of our lowest points. Like, how can we? Yeah, it looks like that's one of our lowest points. So that may be a good bottom for now. But we got to see. It's iffy. Like, look at it. It's trying to run right now. Like, I don't know what's going on. Where's Ape? Let's look at Ape. Ape is not really doing nothing. But AMC is trying to do something, but I think it's going to come down. Okay? I can't really, it's getting hard to predict the stock. But I do know, remember we were in that trend of that $4.10, $4.20 mark, and we just kept hovering around the $4 to right at that $3.99 area. And this is kind of where we're at right now. Like, we're in this zone, and we need to really break out of the zone. But we're going to see what happens. I can't really predict like what's going to happen, because AMC is doing something weird, like it's preparing for something. Not saying that it's preparing for a squeeze. It could be preparing for a big, massive sell-off again. But just the way it's acting, and it's just like, in this zone. I don't know what's going to happen. But, okay, we'll see. So, my prediction, I'll just say, I think we can get up to the $4 mark, probably just a little bit above it, but I think we're going to come slamming down to real close to test that bottom of 380. It's 380 over here. It's 382, was it? 380. Yeah, I think we're going to come down close to that. But we're going to see. If the whole market start pulling back before we get up high enough, I think it's definitely going to pull down by that 380. Okay, guys, so I'm going to get off here. I got another video that I'm going to make, and I'll see you next one. Please hit that subscribe. Leave a comment if you want. Even if you don't want to leave a comment, just hit the thumbs up, or put a thumbs up in the comment. You know, put anything in the comment. Just let me know that you're there. Because I see people watching. I see the views. But like, okay, they're not saying nothing. Just leave a happy face. Anything, okay? All right? All right, guys. I'll see you in a minute. Take care. Peace.